Welcome to lesson 22. Today we're going to talk about prepositions of place. Last time we did prepositions of time, now we're doing prepositions of place. So prepositions tell us where something is. If you read these sentences, the cups are the table. Oh, really? The cat is the table. What does that even mean? So you use prepositions to make it make sense. The cups are on the table. The cat is under the table. That works now. So look at some more prepositions. On, we have in. The bird is in the box. The bird is under the box. The bird is behind the box. The bird is in front of the box. The bird is next to the box. And this one, the bird is between the boxes. You see there are two boxes here, not just one. Between the boxes. Right, so let's practice. The dog is in the box, on the box, or under the box. Dog is in the box. Now this yellow thing is a board. The dog is in the board, on the board, or under the board. The dog is on the board. The teacher is in front of the whiteboard, behind the whiteboard, or between the whiteboard. The teacher is in front of the whiteboard, and the whiteboard is behind the teacher. Do this one yourself. He is on top of the mountain. The man is between the women. Well done, nice job. We're going to move on to the continuous tenses next. So see you later.